The DEWALT DWP611 router fixed base is a versatile and powerful tool that excels in various woodworking tasks. With its 1 1/4 horsepower motor and variable speed control, it offers impressive performance and precision. The compact size and ergonomic design make it easy to handle, even in tight spaces. One of the standout features of this router is its variable speed control, which allows for precise adjustments to match the requirements of different materials and cuts. The soft starting motor ensures smooth operation, while the full-time electronic feedback maintains consistent motor speed throughout the cut, resulting in clean and accurate results. The dual LED lights and clear sub-base provide excellent visibility, making it easy to see the workpiece and maintain control over the routing process. The extended 1/4-inch router collet enhances stability and reduces vibration, while the large spindle lock button facilitates quick and easy bit changes. Despite its compact size, this router packs a punch and can handle a wide range of routing tasks with ease. Whether you're working on edge profiles, dado cuts, or pattern routing, the DEWALT DWP611 delivers reliable performance. While some users may find the base design slightly awkward for certain tasks, particularly those requiring continuous rotation, overall, this router offers excellent value for money. Its sturdy construction and comfortable grip inspire confidence, and it's sure to become a go-to tool in any woodworking arsenal. Comparisons with other models like Bosch and Rigid highlight the strengths of the DEWALT DWP611, particularly in terms of depth control, build quality, and overall user experience. While there are some minor drawbacks, such as the lack of a case or edge guide compared to competitors, the DEWALT DWP611 remains a top choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. In conclusion, while no tool is perfect, the DEWALT DWP611 router fixed base stands out as a reliable and versatile option for woodworking projects of all sizes. Its combination of power, precision, and portability makes it a valuable addition to any workshop, and its performance is sure to impress even the most discerning users.